A laksa is a classic bowl of curry-flavoured soup rich with coconut milk. Into that, she's poaching bits of chicken. Done properly, it's vibrant, it's addictive, it's delicious. It's got a taste of Asia.
We will each choose our favourite dish. And the two cooks that cooked our favourite dishes will grab themselves an apron and we'll go straight through to the next round. The three remaining will have to cook off again for the last aprons.
You have 1 hour and 15 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cook.
"26-year-old Katie from Glasgow fell in love with food at a young age, learning to cook Chinese cuisine with her father.
I'm half Chinese, half Scottish, so I really enjoy a bit of Western cooking and a bit of Eastern cooking as well. But this dish really reminds me of travelling to go and see my dad, who lives in Malaysia. And whenever I go to see him, I really have this dish kind of like for my breakfast, lunch and dinner because it's so tasty.
Katie,
Hello.
what is your signature dish, please?
I am making a curry laksa noodle soup, which is a kind of traditional Malaysian, Singaporean dish.
Why is this dish your signature dish?
I've grown up eating a lot of noodle dishes, but I would say that this one's probably my favourite.
A laksa is a classic bowl of curry-flavoured soup rich with coconut milk. Into that, she's poaching bits of chicken. Done properly, it's vibrant, it's addictive, it's delicious. It's got a taste of Asia. With that, she's making her own noodles, showing a little bit of skill. I think it's really fantastic.
You've got 30 seconds. 30 seconds to finish off, please. That's it. Stop. Thank you.
Events production manager Katie has made a Malaysian laksa, chicken poached in a spiced coconut broth, and hand-cut egg noodles with spring onion, chilli, coriander, and a boiled egg topped with black onion seeds.
Oh, I like the broth. I really do. It's creamy, slightly sweet with coconut milk. Chicken's cooked all right for me. Making your own noodles and making your own broth, I think, showcases a fair amount of cookery skill.
It starts off sort of very mellow, and then you get this lovely heat that comes from the chilli, and it starts to suddenly come alive. Spicy, sweet, and slightly sharp and sour. It's a good bowl of noodles.
Oh my goodness.
It's been a really interesting day. You all have to admit there's been issues. And because of that, only one of you is going to get an apron and go straight through the next round, which means that 4 of you will stay and cook again. Person getting an apron and going straight through the next round is Katie.
It's a relief.
A big bowl of steaming, spicy, delicious, understated noodles. They were delicious.
Thank you.
Come and collect your apron.
Thank you.
I was so excited. I honestly really didn't think that it was going to be me. What a relief. I'm really, really happy. I'm just so happy that I don't have to cook again today.